Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of the video. Sorry I had to cut that video short. So in the last part I had a dog, and I think I'll name him, I think I will name my dog, what should I name him? Here boy, sit. This texture pack is so annoying because you can't find nothing and things like that, so I don't know. Maybe I should name a dog. I think I got rules. I'm not allowed to call dogs Toby because every time I call a dog Toby it dies. So I'm not going to call my dog Toby. Put a sign down here. And we'll call this one, we'll call it, Simon. We'll call this dog Simon. And how do you know it's Simon? Do we know it's Simon? Because I will explain now. So we call it Sorry guys, it didn't save then. Simon. So Simon is my new dog, and he's going to be among the rest of my lovely dog bunch. So there's Si, and so what we're going to do now, come on boy, down here. Anyway, leave him. So, before the end of this episode, I'm going to go and build that helipad. So the helipad is going to be just outside, just by here. You can go and sit down by here. Come here, boy. Yeah, quick. Sit. I'm going to go heal you. I keep hitting on my dogs, I don't know why. Anyway, so, you can go and sit for that. If you don't follow me. Right, so, we're going to go and build a stone thing. So, I'm going to do it 19. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hate this controller. Anyway, 1, 2, 3. One side to the side. So there we're going to go and fill it in. It's goes right outside my front door, so it shouldn't be there. Okay, we're going to just dry it from it. Okay, then I'll put this side. So I think I'll have it going 2 across, I think. Is it 2 across? I don't know. I'm not too sure how I planned this, guys. Sorry about this. Okay. Then we can go and fill it in then with some cobblestone. So, I think I've gone for this effect because, like, I want, like, a nice helipad. And, like, I don't know. It's like, I want the helipad to look nice and I want it to look snazzy as well. But I'm not going to get a snazzy helipad. Just a big cobblestone H. With a big stone H. And there it is. Obviously, I'll add some glowstone around it as well. So when they come to visit, I think they can, like, see what it's actually meant to be. I like the place up. Stay there, Simon. I'll come and collect you in a minute. I haven't forgotten about you. As if I would. As if I could, more like. And there is my helipad. So, I think in this video we've actually achieved success. You can come and follow me as we head back into the house. And you can go and sit. But there. And so, guys, there is the end of part 2 of the video. In the next video, I'm hoping to get a few more things done. Obviously, I got my first dog. I'm hoping to build some more things, get the roof of this place done, and give you a tour of my lovely world. So, my wonderful world is coming to an end now. Part 2 is coming to an end now. Helipad part 2, helipad part 1 as well. Obviously, it'll be online very soon. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!